In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange PDF pages in Foxit Reader. If you've ever needed to reorder the pages of a PDF, you know how frustrating it can be if you don't have the right tools. Fortunately, Foxit Reader makes it incredibly simple. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be confident in your ability to rearrange your PDFs just the way you want them. First things first, we need to open the PDF that you want to edit. Begin by navigating to the file you wish to change and open it using Foxit Reader. Once your file is open, you should see a variety of tools and options across the screen. Our focus will be the left-hand panel, so turn your attention there. In this panel, you will notice various icons, but the one we're interested in is the Pages icon. Clicking this icon will reveal the thumbnail view of your PDF, which is where all of the magic happens. This thumbnail view provides a miniature look at each page within your document, making it much easier to see and rearrange the pages as needed. When you want to move a single page to a new location, it's a simple click and drag process. Click on the thumbnail of the page you want to move. Hold your click and drag the page to its new position within the document. As you do this, you'll see an indicator showing exactly where the page will land when you release the mouse. Once it's in the proper spot, just let go, and the page will drop into place. There may be times when you need to move multiple pages at once, and Foxit Reader has you covered for that as well. Start by selecting the pages you want to rearrange. If these pages are in a sequence, click to select the first page, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last page in the range. If the pages are not in sequence, click on each page while holding down the Control key to select them individually. Once you have your selection, click and hold on any of the selected thumbnails and drag them as a group to their new location. Again, you'll see the indicator guiding you where to drop these pages. Release the mouse button, and just like that, your selected pages will move to their new location within the file. With these simple yet powerful steps, you have complete control over the order of your PDF pages in Foxit Reader. Whether you're reorganizing them for clarity, presentation, or just personal preference, knowing how to move both single and multiple pages efficiently saves tons of time and effort. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your PDF editing a smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.